Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about encapsulation in JavaScript. How we can able to achieve encapsulation in our JavaScript. Okay, basically what is encapsulation? Encapsulation is defined as a wrapping up data under a single unit. Means it is wrapping means it is holding for all the data into a one single unit, and also it is a mechanism that binding together the code into a data. JavaScript encapsulation is a process of binding the data with the function action on the data. Means normally we can able to say encapsulation is defining as in a wrapping up the data under a single unit. When you come into the JavaScript encapsulation is the process of binding the data. What it is going to bind the data with the function acting on the data, which is acting on the data we are going to do for that. Okay. How we can able to see, with a simple example I'm going to show you now. Okay, we'll go open for this VS code, and here I'm going to make it for encapsulation demo.js file. Okay. And here we'll create for class, the class name I can say that employee. Okay, and inside that I'm going to create for one constructor. Okay, you can create constructor, you cannot use the constructor, anything is okay. But if you create the constructor, then there is a variables we can able to declare, we can able to use it that in terrain place. Okay, let keyword I'm defining, you can use for let or where anything is okay, but most recommendation right are present in a let. Okay, name and salary. Okay, these are the two, and how it will binding wrapping the data. Basically what will happen, this entire we can able to say real time there is a getters and setters for that particular variables. Means you can able to get that, you can make it the get, and you can make it for setter also. Setter is basically to set the data for that particular variable. For whenever you want to use any location, just you need to say just use the name of a setter and provide the name. While you are getting for something you want to display, then you can able to use for getter. Okay, by using these two options we can able to make this particular encapsulation. Okay. How we can able to make it for getter and setter in this particular means, get name, this is a name for getter function, and here we can able to make the return type, and basically which is a class variable we need to getting for purpose, we can able to use for this keyword, this dot name. Okay, for this name we can able to get it. Okay, and also we need to make set, we need to set the name of that what particular one, because we are not set any kind of names, right? For the name we need to set something. Okay, for this we can able to take it, and also we need to pass the parameter as a name. Okay. And here we need to use for this dot name, because the class variable and function variable, both the things we need to pass, because class variable, and this is a class variable, this is a function variable. Whenever you call this particular function, we need to pass the value, and then we can able to get this particular data. Whenever you want to call, wherever you want, you can able to call, and you can able to achieve this particular encapsulation. Encapsulation basically wrapping the data, right? And also it is we can able to use a function acting on the data. Functions we can able to act in the data type. Okay, and we need to create the similar format salary also. Okay, get sal and return this dot salary. Okay, same thing we can able to use for set salary. It will accept for salary keyword, and then we can able to use this dot salary equal to salary. Okay, we are assigning now. Okay, now you want to call that particular variables, like you want to set something data for that particular variable and also get the value, right? How we can able to use? First we need to create a object of that. Okay, obj equal to new employee object. Okay, because we created a constructor, but we inside the constructor we are used, but we are not passed any parameter here. Okay, we can able to use directly. Okay, obj dot get name. If you use the get name, but you need to call the set name also. Okay, without set name, if you call this particular one to display something undefined, we can able to get the report. Now node space star dot encapsulation, and see undefined is it displaying. Okay, now if I'm going to set the data, now if I set the data obj dot set name, and here I'm going to defining for name. Okay, now if I run again, see Lokesh it is displaying. Like this we can able to do it. Even you can able to use for salary also. Set salary, and you can able to specify 5,000 and again. Okay, now if I run again, both the values it will be display like this. Okay, how many times you want to call, that many times you can able to call. Even you can able to define that particular variables inside the constructor also. Okay, and you can able to reuse. This is the way we can able to achieve that encapsulation. Basically it will wrap the complete data and functions and variables into one unit, and we can able to use it. But in this each unit we can able to use the function type. That function type act as a data, and we can able to reuse for all the places. Whenever you want to use without setting the data, if you use it will be defined for undefined variable. Okay, if you first set the data for that particular variable and get the value for that, it will give you. Okay, this is a secure way we can able to use in a real time. Okay, I hope it this information help for you. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.